It's only just gone 6 o'clock and it's raining today. I came on yesterday but I was busy thinning plants out and weeding. I need weed over there yet. Yeah, because we've been away for a week over to Skegness with caravan, and we had a good week belting. Weather was belting, cricket flags every day. But coming home, it went in Limp Road mode near Huddersfield, the car, so drove home at 30 miles an hour on the motorway. So it was a stressful day. So yesterday I was just de-stressing on here really. But anyway, everything's okie dokie. All plants are looking okay. Took some tomatoes yesterday, a cucumber. Tony gave us a cauliflower. So belting, but what I'm going to be doing today, hopefully, if this rain slackens off, if it doesn't, I'm not getting wet through, is taking that tent down. I'll tell you what, this is the way I'm going, when I build that greenhouse down there, this is the way I'm going to grow the cucumbers, because look at them. Only mini ones these, but loads on. I thinned it out yesterday. They thinned all these side shoots out. Doing belting these tomatoes out, look at them. All the way to the top, healthy as anything. Nothing on the leaves. All healthy. Tomatoes everywhere. And these are cherry tomatoes. There's 6 tomato plants there. 6 cucumber plants, sorry. Look at that. They're good. So that is definitely, that's the first time I've grown them upstring. But I thought I'd do it in here with carols, just for trying. But I have been taking all the suckers out as well. But I've snapped them all off at top now, so they don't grow anymore. But they're just loaded with tomatoes, look at that. Right. So it's just a piece of string. I've not even dug it in the ground, I've just started wrapping the plant around it. The same with them. And I can't believe how healthy and good they look. Look at that. I'll show you the difference. That's cucumbers, yeah. Look at mine. Yeah, I'm getting cucumbers off. Wait, I took the onions out yesterday as well. They're all hung up in there drying. Yeah, I'm getting cucumbers on. I took one off there yesterday, but look at the plant. Difference. And the tomatoes. So, this is definitely in the wrong place this for this weather. It was alright last year. It's not this year. So, because that's out it open, I reckon they'll grow better down there, out it open. Yeah, chuffed to bits with them now. They're prize winners. Every one of them plants. How many is there? 8 of them. Plenty of peppers on in here too. Loads, look at all them. All the way down. Oh yeah, this one's got them on now, this little one. Yeah, that one's got some big fat ones on the back there, see. This one's definitely got some on, witch's fingers. Loads of them, look at that. And this one over here, The long one, look at them. Prize winning plants in here, Carol, every one of them. That's how you do it, see. See, we're eating next year. See if she can copy it. We'll give her an hand. See, that's all I do with that, just keep wrapping it around. And then it helps itself. Look at this one here. Everything's just loaded in here. Those weird ones, aren't they? Look at them. What's that one? Yeah, all these I've had, really. These them bottles. Even these in the middle. Not been overwatered, they've just had them. No other water because it's dry as tinder, that like. It's still damp underneath. Do damp it down now and again. But really that's all they have. So it just shows you they do work then. There's the proof. Yeah, so I should be able to get this down today. Get a net off first and then the rest will fly down. Yeah. Plenty of growth on this pumpkin, but no pumpkin, just one over there. That one's dying off now. So we'll just grow some for the kids. No competition this year for that. Not got time now. Getting tassels on sweet corn, but they're not really tall enough. They're only about 2.5 foot tall. So we'll see what happens with them. But they're all getting tassels on, but even them little ones are there. So, yeah, that's about it. I'll put a catch on that, yeah. Ah, there's a great in here. Plenty of spiders' webs. Nobody been in here. Yeah, grapes like okay. Big tomatoes coming in, that's all right. I'll not be using that one though, because it's getting ripe now. It's going soft. So I'll be taking that one off. These others are ripe now, so this plant's probably no good for the camp. But the one in that other tunnel is, well, there's two in that other tunnel. Yeah, hang on, that's one as well. There's one here as well. Oh yeah, oh that's okay. Plenty big tomatoes then. Melting. These tomatoes are okay. Yep. The grapes are not turning. Oh yeah, it's just turning black there now. Oh good. I'll sort that out now to shorten the greenhouse. They're all tied up on this end, heaped up. And it's finished. Yeah. Take that out. And that one, look at that one. You need to cut that one off. No, it shouldn't be on there, that. No, it won't be cut it off, it's come off nice and clean, see. Right, we'll make a brew. And hopefully it's got to slacken off. Brew time. It's just gone 7 o'clock. Then stopped for a bit. Just got wet through doing this. So I've got all that net off. Just roll it up over there. That's rubbish. It's like 3 or 4 year old that now. So all I have to do now is bang these apart. I've put these bars in, but I just have to tap them off, but obviously I can't start banging yet. Yeah, see the space now. And what do I've ordered some seed spuds, winter spuds. So all this soil out of these boxes and these, I'll do some more tubs over there, some spuds, and I've ordered some onions as well. So get something back at beds. There's not much on this side, hardly anything really. Get something in. Still summer really, isn't it? But I'm not planting any more plants because I've got a crap year this year on veg, to be honest. And Swede need to come out as well. Yeah. Big onions are planting on. They're looking okay. So, Uncle Joe from Mexico. He's Tony's shed's open. Joe won the plot competition. This time he's won it, so well done, Joe. It's about time. Each one has been on committee years, didn't win it. Comes off committee and wins it. Good lad. Ethan, go have that brewing and crack on with that. Get the rest of that then. Well, it's just gone 8 o'clock. I've got all that down. Wasn't much banging till it truth. It was all nuts and bolts really, I forgot. So I've got them sleepers down there, them 12 foots. Yeah, it's 12 by 12 near enough. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an 8 foot greenhouse wide by 12, and then on the other side with that other sleeper I'll drop it in and have a bed on that side. Yeah, so that should be good, because it is a bit massive. I don't know if I want a greenhouse, but if I do it 10 foot it'll be 4 foot wider than that one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and just a bit shorter than that one, so we're near enough same size as that one in area, but a bit wider and a bit shorter. But then I'll use all that compost for growing in winter spuds and all this as well. I just need some stone right back of this. A couple of bags of that stone there, but I've got some in there. See what I can scrape about. Yeah, that's basic shape down. She's a big one. Oh, just starting raining again. There you go. That's space. I'm going to move that back. Be a nice easy job. I'm going to step it back there because that does step out a lot. Yeah, bob on them sleepers. So all I need to do now is fix some wood at corner and down the length of it. Just drive them in and screw to there. And then my mate's got some 4x2 from only up the road there, but he's going to bring them down this trailer because they're the same length as these. In fact, they might be a bit longer. There's 5 pieces of that, so I should get something done with that. And then the lad across the road, he looked at my car yesterday. Hopefully he's got some from, but that's not free, but it's cheap. I think it was 40 quid he paid for like 30 lengths of 4x2 brand new timber. So should be a bonny bill that. Nice. That's all I can do on here today now. I won't tidy up. I'm going see a dog. The dog's not feeling so good after holiday. I think he needs another holiday. Yeah, we've got loads of onions right there. Tomorrow when I come up, I'm going to hang them all over at sides. I'll just throw them in for now, just because it was trying to rain yesterday. Yeah, I chopped all them wildflowers down as well yesterday. Loads of them. Yeah, look alright that one. Them step back where they should be. These two. A straight out path then both sides. Lovely. Right, see you tomorrow.